This was back in March. Let's fast forward to spring.
Now this is one of my winter sowing containers. I've been pretty bad. I still have them all sitting there and I haven't opened them yet. So I think it's about time I open some of these. As you can see, I have some nice lupins in there. And look at the roots on these things. Really nice. So let me open up. Wow, look at that. Those are gorgeous looking. These are my lupins. Oh, I'm very proud of these. These look great. Hey, what's up guys? How you doing? I've been AWOL for a little while. That's just because I've been relaxing and the weather's been kind of crap. Some days it's so rainy and overcast. Well, we're finally past our frost date and we finally have had some decent weather out here. So I've managed to plant up a few things I started from seed, and I'm finally gonna tackle, let me turn the camera around. Finally gonna tackle my winter sowing containers. I'm gonna open them up and see what we got here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this alyssum. As you can see, it's growing out of the top. A lot of it in there looks a little bit brown, like it's gotten too much sun and not enough water. Honestly, I've been kind of neglecting these over the last little while, but let's open this up and see what we got. Clearly, it's been stretching for some, I don't know, sun. It's gotten quite leggy in here. But look at that. It even has a few buds on it, like it wants to bloom. Sorry, I'll get that in. But it is quite leggy, but not bad, I guess. Guess we can cut it back and see what it does. I don't know if alyssum is such a good thing to winter sow, but that's the first one, alyssum. Now this one looks pretty good. You can see the roots in there. Some nice looking roots. Not too sure what this is. Let's open it up and see what's in here. At least the tape held out. Oh, very nice. Look at that. This is Nicotiana, jasmine tobacco. But these look really healthy. Very good. This looks like some more lupins. I must have planted a whole heck of a lot of lupins. But this one looks like a few of them died. But still have a plant or two in here. Not too bad. Couple in there, viable. This one is marigold Eskimo Cracker Jack, I guess. Now these are really leggy. I don't know. The root system in here looks pretty good, but clearly they've been stretching. Oh, very leggy. But I'm gonna plant them. All right. This one looks pretty good. We got some kids playing in the backyard next door, so that's where all the noise is coming from. Oh, this is Cleome. Those look pretty good. Oh, I'm happy that the Cleome made it. Cleome. This one's quite dry, but there is some salvageable plant material in here. These are bachelor's button, and they have buds on them actually. So I'm just gonna cut the dead out of this, and at least we have a couple plants that are viable. I think if I was a little bit more diligent with this, I would have had more plants, but I'm happy with these. All right, this is an oregano. Now, looks like I have some good prospects in here, although it doesn't look like all the seeds have germinated, but there's a few healthy plants in here. So that is the Greek oregano. Pretty good. Smells good. Oh, this one looks really good. This looks like it's another marigold plant, but this one doesn't look as leggy. Oh, very nice. This looks like a calendula, Indian prince. It has some big leaves here. Oh, look at that. Very good. Lots of roots down here. I'm happy with this. Now these are snapdragons, but we had such a scorcher the last couple days. Even though I watered these, this needs some water for sure, but some pretty good plants. Oh, these are perfect snapdragons. So this is the haul of all of my efforts from my winter sowing. Not bad. I have some planting to do over the next couple days. And these are all the containers where nothing germinated. Some of them, like this one, I got a little bit of germination, but looks like lack of water, they dried up. But yeah, so I would say about 60%. All the rest of these, nothing. So I'm gonna finish out my day by finishing with some watering out here. I've done a lot of planting. I'm gonna have to do a video tour maybe over the next week or so to show you guys what I've been planting and what's been coming up. But for now, that's it as far as my winter sowing update, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care and happy planting.